Hey PC World fans, Adam here at ASUS's headquarters here in Fremont, California with Howard, who is a project manager on the GPU division. We are here to talk about this mean piece of equipment. We have the ASUS ROG Matrix Platinum RTX 4090. Now we did see this a little bit at Computex, but you are about to release this, and that's why you're here to talk me through some of the details of it. First off, I want to ask, the ROG Matrix line doesn't come out that often, so why now? Why the 4090? Like, why not all the time?
Okay, hi everyone. So ROG Matrix is the top end of our graphics card. So only when the product that we think is deserves the name, that's when we will bring the Matrix to the world. So that is why we don't bring it on all generations, only when we have very good breakthrough to show to the world.
And it seems to be very selective, very
yes.
kind of exclusive.
Yes.
Well, how many are actually going to get made?
Will be around 1,000 to 2,000 of the world.
Wow.
Will be made. It will be very exclusive.
Why such a limited run?
Because we use the top bin GPU inside the Matrix, and all of the, from the material to the designs and all of the customizations we made on it. So that's why in the end we decided to be the limited quantity for those who really want this.
Okay, and it's a very striking design, especially with this kind of inner chamber and outer chamber. We don't have it plugged in right now, but it does light up RGB. Can you tell me a little bit about the design inspirations that went on with this one specifically?
Sure. So this time Matrix, we want to give him some luxury look. So you can see from the materials, we use a lot of metals and also use some transparency, and when the power on, you will see some indirect lighting around it, and you can see a little bit into the card. And also you can see even for the tubing and those materials here, all want to bring the luxury look to this card.
I mean, it is very striking indeed, but really at the end of the day, people are excited about the performance as well.
Yeah.
First question I have is about the cooling. So this has a 360 millimeter rad. Was that the sweet spot, or did you just aim for the top end and say, hey, we might as well go all out?
Of course, it's for the top end, and we do a lot of calculations from the liquid metal we use inside to all the custom pumps, tubes, and radiators. And in the end, we found that this 360 customized loop will be the best for the Matrix.
And you mentioned liquid metal, which is notorious to work with, especially in a GPU that's could potentially be in different configurations. What was the solution to making sure that it doesn't ruin everything?
This is not the first ASUS product using the liquid metal. We used it on our gaming laptop as well. So we have some experience of production this kind of product. And of course, when we talk about graphics cards, since the installation we go to different orientations, so we need to do even more protections to make sure the reliability of the liquid metal. So since we have done so many tests about it, so people won't have to worry about the liquid metal, just to enjoy it.
Is there an orientation where it works better, one versus the other, or no?
Will be the same.
The same.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And what kind of considerations and special design did you have to do to contain the liquid metal and make sure that it's working as intended?
Yeah, we have some special structure. If you tear down the card, you will see some special protection way for us to prevent the liquid metal to go out of the GPU area to the PCB.
So with this design, you're claiming that this RTX 4090 is going to have the highest boost clocks out of the box. What are those boost clocks that you're hoping to hit?
It will be 2670 boost clock, and with OC mode, it can be 2700 megahertz.
Okay, and what about power draw? What's the stock power draw? Can you push it further if you wanted to?
The maximum power draw will be 660 watts.
Okay. And do you feel like that you can get any sort of performance going past that, or did you tune it specifically for that?
We tested 4090 and production it for a while. For every GPU, there's a sweet spot to generate more the most performance. So that's why we decide to choose the 660 as the sweet spot.
If you were to not use liquid metal, what kind of temperature difference would you see?
We can see like average 5 degrees of difference with and without the liquid metal.
Okay. Then it's probably worth it, because you're trying to shoot for the moon here. This is a Halo product. Speaking of Halo product, it's going to have a Halo price. Do you know pricing right now, what it's going to come in at?
We're still working on the price with our closest partners, so we haven't finalized yet.
Okay. And then when can we expect it to come out, and where is it going to be available?
Very soon. Very soon.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you for talking with me. I'm excited to get my hands on this and do some of my own testing to see just how far I can push it. Thank you, Howard, for chatting with me. Thanks everybody for watching. Be sure to stay subscribed here on PC World for more PC hardware and software goodness. We will catch you in the next video.